Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Proton mail account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to head on over to proton.me, and now once we're here, we want to go ahead and click on create a free account. Now from here, we want to choose a username, so pick a username that you're going to remember. So for this video, I'm going to do tutorialwiz2 at proton.me, and now if it's available, it's going to have a little tick here. If you type in something that's popular, test, that should be taken. Yep, already in use. So yeah, go ahead and choose your new username and then click on create free account, and then choose a strong password that you're going to remember. So go ahead and jot that down once you've done that. All right, I've chosen my strong password and then click on get started. Now from here, we have to do a human verification captcha, so you just go ahead and fill in that captcha like so. Captcha complete, and from here it's going to say save your password. You can go ahead and save it if using Google Chrome. Now it's going to go ahead and create your account. Now once you have created your account, you're going to go ahead and click on I understand that if I lose my recovery phrase, I may permanently lose my account. So you want to go ahead and download this PDF. So this is your recovery kit. So this lets you restore your Proton account if you're locked out. It's the only way to recover everything. So store it safely. So go ahead and download that and store that safely. Now choose a username. I'm just going to type in tutorialwiz2 and click continue. Now from here, it will say welcome, select the service to continue. I just want to use this for Proton Mail. Now, once you've done that, it should say welcome to Proton Mail, where privacy is default. So go ahead and click on let's get started. You can go ahead and download the desktop app if you like. Click maybe later, click next. You can also download this on your mobile device, make it your own, so you can choose your own style here. I want to do carbon, use this. Now, a quick tip, if you want to go ahead and update or transfer your email across from, say, your Google account, we can do that. So go to settings, click on all settings. On the left hand side, it's going to say import via easy switch. So we can import, we can set up forwardings from Gmail, or we can do a one-time import from Google, Yahoo, Outlook. So just go ahead and click on one of them. I'm not going to go through the whole process, but yeah, click on one of them to import your emails if you want to do that, or set up forwarding as well.